Hey kiddos, I asked you to read this first page yesterday. So then we're going to go to page 40, but I do not expect you all to have protractors, so we cannot do that. So that's why I did the con instead. And we're not going to do 5 through 8. So let's start off and look at number 9. Name one right angle in each figure. Name one right angle in each figure. So we're looking at this figure right here and this figure down here. So a right angle could be BRM or KRM. Technically, you could have 4 because you could also have UAO or IAU. So angle, I'm just going to write BRM. And when we're done, I'll show you all the possible answers. Name one straight angle in each figure. So I'm going to label, so this one would be BRK, angle BR. So I want you to write the straight angle for the next one, and then you'll check it at the end. Now it says, how much greater is the measure of KRB than the measure of IAO? Well, KRB, that's going straight across. So that's 180 because it's a straight line. And if I look at IAO, well, this little box is letting me know it's 90 degrees. So how much greater is that? How can I find out? Oh, I can subtract it. So 180 subtract 90. 0 and 18 subtract 9 is 9. So it's 90 degrees greater. Which angle appears to be at a 45-degree angle? Which angle appears? So I'm looking at this right here. What appears? That's right. It would be angle UAE or angle EAO. So it's the measure of angle IAE is 135. So I know from here to here is 135. What is the measure of OAE? So we know this is 90. And we know this whole thing is 135. So from here to here is 135. So what can I do to find out that missing piece? Good job. That means I would subtract it. 5 subtract 0 is 5. We borrow, so that turns into 13. 13 subtract 9 is 4. So we have this right here is 45. What is the measure angle of UAE? UAE. So we know 90, we know this whole thing right here is 180. And 90 plus 45 we can find out. It's 135. Well, if we know this whole thing's 180 and we know we used up 135, what is that remaining piece? I'm doing my math over here and you can't even see it. Oh, my bad. I'm going to take 180, subtract 135. 10 subtract 5 is 5. 8 subtract 3 is 5. And 1 subtract 1 is 0. So it would be 55. Just so you guys know, I did this to find out what this was right here.
I do that too.
I'm recording for my students. No wonder why Wesley does that. Angles in the real world. Here's a map. You didn't leave the Chinese food up in the bedroom, did you? Or did you eat it all? You ate it all? Okay. Sorry, kids. Angle in the real world. Here's a map of John's neighborhood. The east and the west streets are named for presidents of the United States. The north and the south streets are numbered. The avenues have letters. John's house is on the corner of Lincoln and First. What do the arrows to the left of the map tell you? What does this tell me? What is that? What is that? The directions of the map is correct. So you would write direction. John leaves his house and rides his bike south on first. What kind of angle does he make for each turn in this route? What is the measure of each angle? Well, I can't expect you to measure it, but we can find out which direction he goes, like the angle. So John turns southeast onto Avenue A. So it wants to know, it says, John leaves his house and rides his bike south on First. So First, he leaves his house and he's going down here. So, and then he goes on to southeast. Where's southeast? Oh my gosh, guys. Oh, John turns southeast onto Avenue A. So he turns onto this street right here. So what angle is this?
She go out yet?
Today in the morning she went out, but not now. Would that be acute, obtuse, or a right? Good job, kids. That'd be an obtuse angle. When he reaches Washington, he turns west. So we got to find Washington. So he's going right here. And then he turns west, which is going this way. What's this little angle right here? Good job. That's acute. When he gets back to First, he turns south. So then he keeps going, and all of a sudden he's like, "Ert!" So what's this right here? Good job. That is right. John's cousin Cora leaves John's house and rides east on Lincoln to Avenue B. So Cora's east on Lincoln. Rides east. Wait, John's cousin Cora leaves John's house and goes east right here. Woo, yeah, cruising. Draw the angle Cora makes if she turns southeast. She turns southeast. What is the measure of the angle? So if she's going southeast, I'm assuming she's getting onto Avenue B. So she's just cruising and she's like, yeah. What is that angle right here? This right here. Good job. It's obtuse. So I wish I actually had you in class, because then I could teach you how to really hold a protractor and do that. And if you have a protractor at home and your siblings or somebody knows how to use it, try to do it. They're fun. But other than that, I hope you have a wonderful day, my darlings. And sorry for the distractions with my family. Dave was getting ready to go to work. Have a wonderful day. Love you. Bye.